Blurry fonts or not clear fonts on Windows 10 or 11. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, the fonts that you see on a computer screen is quite blurry. This could be due to the computer display resolution. So you might have set a resolution to a relatively lower, which is also going to lower the density of the pixels. As a result, the pixels might be visible and you might assume that you're seeing quite blurry. Now what you want to do is just right click on an empty space on your laptop's home screen. Just go to display settings. From display settings, you'll find a couple of options. Under the display resolution, just select the recommended one. Now, if you have a relatively old computer, the maximum resolution that your computer support might be 720p or 480p. In that case, there is nothing that you can do because that's the maximum resolution. In my case, it supports up to 1080 pixels, so I can select that. And I can also choose the scale. So if you're seeing blurry, you can try to decrease the particular amount of stuff that you see on your computer to decrease the scale right over here. If not, then you can also try to simply go ahead and then just do this step manually by clicking on this and clicking on the recommended option. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.